Hello folks, what I have here is a present, in a sense, from Manulife Vitality. It is, let's have a look, if it is what it is. What do we have? Apple Watch. That's right, my Manulife Vitality 2-year contract with the old watch has finished, and I managed to pay off the entire watch. That's the one I'm wearing right here. I paid nothing for this thing, and basically as long as I exercised over 24 months of the contract, quote unquote, I achieved enough points to not have to pay anything for this watch per month. So essentially I got it for free. Well, the truth is you have to pay taxes on the original purchase amount, so I think it would have been retailing for like $269 a few years ago. Taxes on that would have been about $30-40, and that's all you pay, and then all the balance of it was free because I earned enough points per month to pay it off. So 2 years later, we have now another opportunity to get a watch. If I can just open this thing up. Oh, here we go. Let's see what we got here. So let's unbox this. Now, this time, because I was able to pay off the old watch, I could have gotten another free Apple Watch. This is, I think, Gen 2 or 3. Anyway, now they give out the SE for free. But why stop there? Why not get the better watch, which is the Series 9? Okay. And there's the band. This is the watch. How do I open this? See, Series 9, and I mean, yes, you could pay more. Each upgrade costs a bit more. This one, because you have to pay tax on the retail amount, and it is an upgrade from the SE, they charge you $97 plus the tax on the actual watch. So the actual watch would have been about 500 something, plus so the taxes on that would have been about $60 or so. So after you add it all up, it's about $140, $150 for the watch. Still not a bad deal, especially if you manage to exercise enough. And I've proven that I was able to over the last 2 years. Same number of points needed per month also, even though you get more of a discount, so to speak, every time you get your point allowance for the month. This is an always-on watch, which is a difference between that and the SE, which was the version that would be provided otherwise. And you could have gone for the Watch Ultra, but I didn't want to get the Watch Ultra because the cost for that would have been way, way higher. They asked for a lot of money. But there's the watch there. That's the back of it. Series 9, 41 aluminum ceramic case. Okay, and I'm gonna go set this up once I install the band. This is a sport band. Let's open this up as well. And now I know this watch is not exactly new. It's been out on the market for a while, but they did revamp Manulife Vitality over the last few months, because I was waiting to get my new watch. Even in October, I finished paying it off by then. And here we are. It's waited a few months to actually get permission to order another one, because they were, I guess, trying to come up with some deal that they were figuring out with either Apple or whatever, their supplier. Okay, so as far as sizing goes, now keep in mind I have a protector on this one, so it does look about the same size, but that's not true. Once this has a protector on it, it'll look a little bigger, and it is larger. I think this one was 38 millimeter, and this one is 41. But like I said, the always-on feature is great. This band, I guess this part goes on the top, right? Because it goes like this. So that goes on top here, just slides in. You remember how this works? Hopefully. Oh, at an angle. There we go. and it's in. And then this one will slide in also at an angle. That's it. Okay, there you have it. So I look forward to trying this out, turning it on, charging it. It does come with the requisite cable. That's about it. No wall dongle. You're just basically getting a the charging base, and you have to plug it into now a USB-C. Okay, that's, I believe, the difference as well. I have, my old one came with just USB, whatever, A, I guess, the regular type, the big one. Now you're on this reversible one, the reversible USB-C. That's another difference. And the other thing I noticed is that this thing has a little bit of a metallic sort of shape or color texture to it. Top is still white plastic, it looks like, but the base and the surrounding area here is like a shiny metallic aluminum, and the cord is braided, you see? It's a braided cord. So that's the watch. It sticks, see, magnetic still. And there you have it. Hey guys, well, it turns out that the Apple Watch Series 9 requires iOS 17 or later to allow it to pair to a phone. This one here was on 16 something, so I have to update it. I believe it's an iPhone 11 or 12. My old phone here is an iPhone 8, and the one I'm filming with now, this the one that's pointing right here that I was about to use, is an iPhone X, but it's up to date and it's only version 16 something. I think you have to have an XS in order to allow it to be advanced to iOS 17. So if you're getting a watch, one thing to watch out for is that they do have requirements. I just read up that also the SE and the Ultra will require the latest iOS 17 and greater. And so if you have an X or an iPhone 8, I believe you cannot update it at this point to iOS 17, because I'm only on 16 something on both of my X and 8, and that's it. It's not giving me an option to update to 17. XS must be a different phone. I haven't looked it up, but I'm assuming it's a larger or more recent version of the X that came later. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, it looks like Apple wants you to upgrade and have your entire ecosystem at the latest and greatest level, maybe to ensure proper performance. So for now, this is my wife's phone. I guess this is going to be her watch. I'll keep exercising on this one to earn my points, which I believe doesn't matter whether you use this watch or the old one. As long as you're working out, it's tallying the points anyway. So in a sense, I'll still pay off this watch with my workouts, although I'll be recording it on this watch. All right, so that's a quick update. So hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time. Bye for now.